Hello, welcome to the China and Just Sewing Space, where you learn to sew and style the wardrobe of your dreams. And just before I begin today's video, I would just like to tell you guys that I am blown away and amazed by you guys. Honestly guys, right now we are over 500 subscribers, I think 525, and we are at 1,000 watch hours. Whoop whoop. Now I know to some people this might not be much, but for me this happened in the space of 2 to 3 weeks, and I just want to thank you guys for coming back to the channel, watching my videos, thumbing up, subscribing, clicking on your bell icons, right? Click on your bell icons, and thank you. So I will be doing a giveaway to celebrate over 500 subscribers, because if anything, this time has taught us that we should celebrate the little things. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled for that, and in the next video I will show you guys how to enter for the giveaway. Okay, all right, on to today's video. Now for today's video, I would have to say that I've already contributed by way of mask, because I had these mask patterns on the blog. It's a free download. I've had them for weeks and weeks, almost months now, but I didn't make a video. So some people were like, oh, make a video. So I decided today to take out the patterns and make a video for you guys. Okay, and the blog is www.chinainja.com. You can go there, go to the download section, and you will see these two patterns for free. Okay, let's get into the video.